Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we're doing Boxycharm. And if you stay tuned to the end, I have some of the stuff that I'm putting in my giveaway for the 500th subscriber. So this is February's box. It's $21 a month with $5 shipping to Canada, and of course I'm in Canada. I've been a subscriber for a couple months now. This may be my last box. I'm not sure. I'm looking at December's BoxyLuxe and I think I might just cancel or downgrade because none of the stuff that's in the BoxyLuxe really is appealing to me. But let's get to unboxing this box and we'll get to the giveaway box. So the theme is Afterglow, and the first item I see, which I'm pretty happy about, is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. All the stuff I have, I don't have a whole lot of cleansers, so I'm kind of happy for this. See if I can open it up because I will be using it. Doesn't really. That smells really good though. It's a nourishing skin with honey and hyaluronic acid. Kind of, it smells very, very flowery. So apparently this goes for $22. So right there is the price of the box without shipping. So the next item I see is No Pore Plum Primer, smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. There it is there. I don't know if you can see in the camera. It looks like there's something on the bottle itself. Don't know if that's, ooh. So I got a little one of these, and this story goes, this is Touch and Soul for $18. Doesn't have a smell to it, but that is really, really nice. So I'm gonna give that a try. I had a smaller one and I ended up giving it away to somebody. So I might keep this one, and well, I've already tried it, so I will definitely try it. I know I'm getting to the end of my Cover FX one. So the next item in here was one of the biggest spoilers, was the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Retails for $24. So these three items make up almost triple the price of the box. I do have a lot of mascaras, but I think I'm going to give this one a try. I've heard lots of good things about this. I've heard some not so great things, but you hear that about everything. I do like the brush, so I'm probably gonna give that a try. Actually, I just picked up my first Too Faced palette from Winners. It's a chocolate bar one, so I'm going to give those both a try. So the next item I see here is Prime and Color Glaze from Trezique. It's in the color English Rose. That is really, really pretty, actually. I don't know if you can, I don't know. That actually may be my color here. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, ignore that. Oh. Okay. So this just kind of fell out, which is really nice. So now it's got my fingers all over it. So this is a primer. And that actually, I think this color would suit me. Actually, it looks something similar to what I'm wearing, maybe a little bit darker. So this actually is kind of perfect for me. Ooh, I like that. The lid just slides on. So there's, so this goes for Trezique $25. $25. Ouch. I'll definitely be using that. So the last item I got, and I know a lot of people got them smashed, is the Shimmering Swan Glow Up Highlighter. There it is there. Oh, that's kind of pretty. I might have to try that. Ooh, I don't know if you can... I'm bending my bodies in ways, but that's really, really pretty. It smells nice too. So this goes for $32. So I have to say, from the looks of it, I believe this is full size. This is definitely full size. Definitely full size. I don't know if this is full size. I would imagine that this is probably not a full size, but not a small size. So the value of the box would be about over $100. So that's actually not too bad. I really, really like this box actually, and it didn't come with a palette. So a lot of people were talking about whether or not they think this is one of the better boxes because it didn't come with a palette. I don't know. For me though, I really like it. It came with a bunch of items that I could use. I know I'm on a palette overload, and I'm definitely on a highlighter overload, but this one is super pretty. It smells really nice too, so I might even just like have to like open it up and smell it. I'm pretty happy. I really, 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 really like this. This is one of the first lip products I've gotten from Boxycharm that I've actually like. Well, so far that I like. I like the color anyway. I will have to try it on and see if it works for me. But definitely one of the better boxes this month for me. So now, actually I'm gonna start a new video and we're gonna go over the giveaway and everything else. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.